Tovuti's Virtual Classroom is a powerful feature that lets you meet with your learners in real time within the Tovuti platform. The Virtual Classroom can be used to conduct meetings, facilitate live class sessions, or allow learners to remotely network with their peers in real time. To configure the Tovuti Classroom, go to your administrator dashboard and click on the Learning tab. From there, click on Virtual Classroom. Configuring a new virtual classroom is a cinch. Just click the New button and then give the classroom a name. Now click on the Advanced Settings and move the toggle from Use Global to Use Custom. Now you can decide whether you will allow the meeting to be recorded, which functions your learners will be able to use, set a welcome message, and even upload a custom logo to appear in the corner of the virtual classroom. Next, click on the Attendee Access tab. This lets you choose specific users, user groups, or access levels that can join the meeting. The Attendance and Recordings tabs are where you will come after the meeting has occurred to see who attended and for how long, and then to access any recordings of the classroom that were made. When you're finished setting everything up, click Save and Close. Now you can see the virtual classroom you've just created. This is the link that you can share with attendees, and if you are going to be the one running the meeting, this is the button you will click to start the meeting as the host. Once you are in the virtual classroom, you can do a ton of really cool things. Tovuti's Virtual Classroom has a whiteboard feature that enables the host or multiple users to write on the whiteboard. Attendees can use their microphones and webcams or even share their desktop screens. Presenters can upload and share PowerPoints and PDFs. They can even write on their presentations and jump between multiple presentations in one session. And YouTube videos can be shared in a way that creates little to no lag in the video, unlike when you share a video using other meeting platforms. As an attendee, you can show emojis to give the presenter an idea of how they are doing, or to raise your hand. Presenters can also choose to mute or unmute attendees when needed, or hand off presenter duties to another attendee. Tovuti's Virtual Classroom also allows up to 8 breakout rooms to be created and gives the presenters several ways to place attendees in breakout rooms. There is also a place for attendees to take notes as a group. This is a great way to create a virtual parking lot of questions for the presenter to come back to at the end of the session. For those who are hearing impaired, there is a field that allows an attendee to type live captions as the presentation is being given. Tovuti wants classrooms to be accessible to everyone. Here is the button you will press when you want to record the virtual classroom session. And when you're ready to end the meeting for everyone, simply click End Meeting. Now if you go back to the Virtual Classroom section in the Learning tab on the Administrator dashboard, you can click on Attendance to see who attended the session you just hosted and for how long. You can now click on the Recordings tab to see the recording of the session you just held. These recordings can then be shared, added to the media library, or even included in a lesson within Tovuti. Since Tovuti also has event management built into the platform, you can create events that include links to a virtual classroom session. That way you can schedule recurring virtual meetings and create virtual events. These virtual events can also be included on user transcripts and as part of a learner checklist. The Tovuti Virtual Classroom takes synchronous online learning to a new level and gives you the ability to create learning experiences that will also elevate your organization's online offerings.